Welcome to the Centre Loire, where the famous appellations of Sancerre and Pouilly-Fumé are the stars of the show. This region is on the eastern side of the Loire Valley and is about a 2-hour train ride or drive from Paris. The wines from this subregion are almost exclusively produced from Sauvignon Blanc and Pinot Noir. There are 8 appellations, and of them, Sancerre claims the biggest piece of the production pie. In the Sancerre AOC, the Sauvignon Blanc grape reigns supreme. Pinot Noir is also grown here, but Sauvignon Blanc makes up 82% of production. Many wine lovers around the world claim Sancerre is their favorite style of Sauvignon Blanc. Generally speaking, when you are drinking Sancerre, you'll find notes of lime, grapefruit, apricot, and sometimes riper stone fruit, slate, and flint or smoke. There are, however, 3 soil types here that offer different expressions of Sauvignon Blanc. They are, number 1, argile à silex, which offers a gunflint kind of aroma. Number 2, caillotte. These stones offer a more expressive and perfume style. And 3, the terre blanche, which yield concentrated and age-worthy expressions of this grape. If one of these styles appeals to you, read the back of the bottle carefully or ask a wine specialist to guide you towards the terroir that you're after. Sancerre is hilly. Slopes are steep and drainage is good. When you visit, you'll feel like you're on the top of a beautiful hill with glorious views. Pouilly-Fumé is just on the other side of the Loire River, but is less hilly than Sancerre. The same 3 soil types exist here. Fumé means smoked, and it refers to the gunflint aromas in the flinty clay soils that are here too. While Sancerre and Pouilly-Fumé are the most well-known AOCs here, there are others of note. The Pouilly-sur-Loire AOC is interesting as it is dedicated to a unique grape called Chasselas. Keep your eye out for bottles from neighboring Cancy and Menetou Salon AOCs, as they provide bottles that stylistically are very similar to Sancerre for a more affordable price tag.